Hello again, my fellow clackers. Somebody asked me the other day, is it really worth all the effort and energy we put into the platens that come through our shop? And the answer is absolutely. Working off that gloss just a little, making sure there's a nice matte finish to grip onto paper and take the imprint that you want to give it with your words makes it all that much more of an exciting experience to type on our Muse certified machines. It just turns out wonderful, and you end up with an amazing imprint. Find this and other Muse certified machines in our showroom. This Smith Corona Electra 210 is now available with cursive font at typewritermuse.com.